Hello guys, and welcome to today's video. In today's video I'm going to show you 6 websites that can help you earn the extra money. Now the first one is Fiverr. Fiverr is a marketplace that you can sell your services to a client and you get paid for it. So when you come to their homepage, it looks like this. All you have to do is come here and you create an account for free, and then you have to build like your profile so that when someone wants to search for people they can give their work for, you have to create a good profile so that people may consider you. Now you see there's lots of services here. You can create graphics and design, you can transcribe for people, you can do video animation, also you can do photography for people, and also you can sell art at this website. So I'm going to show you a secret website that can help if maybe you get a client wanting you to make art for them. As you can see here, all you have to do is come to DALL-E 2, and as you can see, it will create an art basing on what you type. So for this video, I had written elephant printing elegant, so it made me this variation. So you choose what you want, like I can take this, and then you download, and then you can send it to the client so that you won't have to do any work. All you have to do is come to DALL-E, give it the description, and it will create for you. Now the second one, the second online website to earn money with is Upwork. Upwork is also free to sign up. There's no money that you're going to be asked to pay so that you can create an account with it. All you have to do is come here, their homepage at the top right corner, and you can create an account for free. Let us look at work. You see there's lots of ways you can earn with Upwork. If you have a skill, let's say maybe you're good at creating websites, apps, you can create them and sell them to people who are actively looking for people to do for them that kind of work. So you can also sell art at Upwork. So there's lots of skills and opportunities for you to get from Upwork. Now the third one is Etsy. Etsy is more of a physical website, in that you have to sell physical. You can sell physical goods as well as e-commerce online products. Like for example, as you can see here, you can sell handmade goods. You can see a chair there. It looks like a desk. You can see a handbag, some plants, and also some bit of jewelry and crafts that you have made by yourself. So Etsy is also good, and also you can create and sell art at Etsy. So it may be good for some side hustle jobs. Now for the fourth one, we have TaskRabbit. Now you see there are some kind of works like which people may consider dirty, for example gardening, heavy lifting. So let's see, TaskRabbit pays you for this kind of job. You see, for example here, this guy fixing furniture, the average product is $52 to $116. You can mount a TV and get paid for it. You can move objects and you get paid for it. Cleaning, plumbing, electrical helps, the list is endless. So all you have to come here is create, and it's absolutely free. Let us look at some of the responses. You see this is a person who have created their profile here. All what the client needs to do is come, click, choose him. For example, in his portfolio he has completed 94 tasks, and it's in his description it says, I'm the right person for the job. So you get what I mean. So all you have to do is come to TaskRabbit, create your portfolio, your profile, and make it a good. Spend some time creating it so that when possible clients come and view your profile, they may consider you. Now you can see here it also goes with the cities where it works. So unfortunately, this is not for everywhere. You can see that it is only based on some of the USA, United Kingdom, Canada, France, Germany, Spain, Portugal, and Italy. Now the fifth website is Naver. If you have an extra space that maybe you don't use, or maybe it's of no use to you, you can rent it for people and you'll get paid for it. So people will use your storage for maybe a period of a month or 60 days, and then you get paid for hosting them, and you will earn some good money from that. All you have to do is to come to naver.com, you become a host, and people will find you through this website. Now, the sixth and the final website is Gazelle. Now, if you have old phones, maybe an iPhone, Samsung, or Google phone, MacBooks, iPads, you can come to Gazelle.com and you can sell them. You get paid by selling this kind of phone. You see, they're saying they buy and sell in volume, and it's pretty much easy. Now, they have a disclaimer which says that they do not accept products that have been reported lost or stolen. So you have to sell products that you know are your own. I assume they have a way of checking if the product is actually yours. So those are the 6 websites that can help you make the extra money. Now, if you like this content, please subscribe and leave a comment on any website that maybe you would like me to review. Thank you.